Philadelphia D&M is the leader in the Philadelphia market, South Jersey market, Philadelphia suburb market in the carpentry outfit.
And we have a crew of about 10 guys who are doing anything from top of wall fire spray,
layout to metal studs, roof blocking, drywall, ceilings, doors, hardware,
penetrations in firewalls to edge of slab to eliminate the fire from penetrating floor to floor.
We've always done fire stopping for carpenter trades, meaning head of wall, edge of slab. Now we are getting into the penetrations for all mechanicals, whether it's a plumber, fitter, electrical, any kind of penetration. So when we come to our customer, we can say, we're gonna give you a finished wall, meaning we're putting ceiling grid in and doing all of your above ceiling at the same time. At the end of the day, it saves our customer on punch list, delaying the project, any delays they might have. And it's also having a contractor like us use one product, being labeled properly, and giving the customer a safe building when it's time to sign off.
Any issues you have, any problems you have, you call and it's resolved.
There's nothing that a customer can't call us for that we will be able to handle, and there's nothing that in the Firestop realm we'll turn away.